So first example is, if Z1 and Z2 are two complex numbers, then prove that mod of Z1 plus Z2 the whole square plus mod of Z1 minus Z2 the whole square is equal to 2 times mod of Z1 the whole square plus mod of Z2 the whole square. Now, as it is given that Z1 and Z2 are two complex numbers, we will assume it. So we will say, let Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1 and Z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. So I am assuming two complex numbers as Z1 and Z2. Now here you can see on the left hand side we have been asked to find square of mod of Z1 plus Z2. So to find out value of this term, I need to first add Z1 and Z2, then I will find out mod of it, which is called as modulus, and then I will take square of it. So first of all I will do Z1 plus Z2. Now we all have done the addition of two complex numbers in the algebra of complex number concept. When we add any two complex numbers, we add real parts with real part and imaginary part with imaginary part. So here we will get x1 plus x2, where x1, x2 both are real part, and in imaginary part we will get y1 plus y2 and I is common. Now next step, after adding Z1 and Z2, we will take mod. It means we will find modulus of Z1 plus Z2. So therefore, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to, now formula for modulus is square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. It means square root of x square plus y square. Here real part is x1 plus x2 and imaginary part is y1 plus y2. So I will do square root of real part, that is x1 plus x2 the whole square plus y1 plus y2 the whole square. Now this is modulus of Z1 plus Z2. Now next time it is asked is to find out square of this modulus. So when we will find square, we need to take square on both sides. So therefore mod of Z1 plus Z2 the whole square. So when I am taking square on the left hand side, and if I will take square on the right hand side, square root and square will get cancelled and we will get x1 plus x2 the whole square plus y1 plus y2 the whole square. So this is what we got from x1 plus x2 mod the whole square. Now I will find Z1 minus Z2 mod the whole square. So same procedure, I will first find Z1 minus Z2. So to subtract any two complex numbers, we will subtract real part from real part and imaginary part from imaginary part. So we will get x1 minus x2 plus I y1 minus y2. After this we will find mod of it. So we will get mod of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Next, as we need to find out square of this modulus, I will find it over here. So it will become Z1 minus Z2 the whole square. So I need to take square on both sides. So here square root and square will get cancelled out and we will get x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So we got both the values, Z1 plus Z2 mod the whole square and Z1 minus Z2 mod the whole square. Now we will add it so that we will get LHS. So I will say LHS is equal to mod of Z1 plus Z2 the whole square plus Z1 minus Z2 the whole square. So value of Z1 plus Z2 mod of whole square is this. So I will use this value. We will get x1 plus x2 the whole square plus y1 plus y2 the whole square. Similarly, for z1 minus z2 mod of whole square, we will use this value. So we'll get x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Now to get this term, that is LHS, equivalent to RHS, we will simplify the brackets. Now you can see here there are two terms with plus sign in between and square is asked. So we know one formula, that is a plus b the whole square. So as per the formula a plus b the whole square, we will get a square plus 2ab plus b square. And if it is minus, then only here we will get minus sign. So I'll apply this formula. So x1 plus x2 the whole square will become x1 square plus 2x1 x2 plus x2 square plus, for this again formula, y1 square plus 2y1 y2 plus y2 square plus x1 square minus 2x1 x2 plus x2 square plus y1 square minus 2y1 y2 plus y2 square. Now next is, we will cancel the terms which are opposite in sign. So here you can see 2x1 x2 has plus sign and 2x1 x2 has minus sign. So we can cancel it out. So it gets cancelled. Similarly to y1 y2 and minus 2y1 y2. Now we will write down all the remaining terms on the next page. So you can see here we have x1 square 2 times here and here. Similarly we have x2 square part 2 times here and here. y1 square 2 times here and here, and y2 square 2 times. So we will write it down on the next slide. So we will get LHS is equivalent to 2 times x1 square plus 2 times x2 square plus 2 times y1 square plus 2 times y2 square. So it becomes, we can take yes 2 outside, inside bracket x1 square plus x2 square will remain plus y1 square plus y2 square will remain. Now we will rearrange the terms. So we will get 2 times x1 square plus y1 square in the first bracket. I am adding these two terms plus x2 square plus y2 square in second bracket. Now why I am doing this? Because if you see the right hand side, I will show you. So in the right hand side it is asked that we want mod of z1 the whole square. Now from here we will see what is mod of z1 the whole square. If z1 is x1 plus I y1, then mod of z1 is nothing but square root of x1 square plus y1 square. So therefore mod of z1 the whole square becomes x1 square plus y1 square. So we got value of this, which is x1 square plus y1 square. That is why I am bringing these two terms together. So we can substitute over here as x1 square plus y1 square as mod of z1 the whole square. Now for this part x2 square plus y2 square, again come here in z2. If I will try to find out mod of z2, we will get yes root of x2 square plus y2 square. If we will find square of this mod, then we will get x2 square plus y2 square. So I will substitute this value of mod of z2 square over here. So we will get mod of z2 the whole square. It means we are getting RHS. It's so simple.